a tidy house. And that's number one, and that's really signifies new beginning, clarity, and organization. Yeah, I've been using different cards. If you're guided, or if you watch my previous readings I posted here, or you're guided to watch them, just look at them. Okay, there's one card peeping. It's 1313. Sky Bridge, possibility for union. Okay, this is it. Like, honestly. But of course, I'm getting here that these are just like one of your many rewards. Yes, of course, we do nice things, good things to ourselves and to others without that in mind, but because you just did all these things out of pure heart and just really following your divine guidance, I'm getting you did a lot of difficult decisions. Getting a bit emotional here. So yeah, of course, just release all those emotions, but I'm tapping into energies like a sigh of relief, like tears of joy. And yeah, there's quite a mix of energy in this span of just 14, like coming to about 15 minutes now. It's like I'm on a how do you call that one, like a Ferris wheel ride. Like, have my beach view background here. I love the beach. Yeah, so that's it for now, and I hope this really helps you and bask in this beautiful, claim this beautiful energy. And that's 1444. I really wish you all the best in your journey, and you take care. Okay, look after yourself all the time, and I'm so excited for this energy to come into fruition. I'm getting it's coming up already, so enjoy it. And always remember, it's not just about manifesting, but on how you sustain that. Be grateful always, from the small things to the biggest things. Okay, take care everyone. See you in the next reading. God bless.